Alright everybody, I am at the former Korrick's department store. And thanks to one of my good friends, Aaron, he let me borrow his card so I can get a solo take of this. And for Gloos to get a take of these as well. But I'm going to take my time filming today because there's no one else here. Just look at those beautiful doors. Wow. It's going to be this elevator. Let's do our cab view first. These are awesome elevators. This is the 7th floor. We're going to get off at the 7th floor. Let's get off here. There are the other ones. So let's go back down one more time. I just really like these. I want to show those original Korrick doors closing, because I may not get to get a solo take of these again. I still love this cab. Just look at that beautiful ceiling. Look at that gold bottom. Very classy and vintage. I'm going to end the video down here. I just want to show these doors again. That's it.